No synagogue. No problem. Your most spiritual high. Holidays. Ever last year, I nearly bailed on the high holidays. No tickets, no energy. Then a friend texted, "Your living room can be a sanctuary." Corny, but I tried it. And for the first time, I actually felt the shofar in my bones. If you're feeling alone this holiday, here's how to turn a pity party into a profound experience, shul or no shul. Pick one spot and make it sacred. Throw on a white tee, light a match, and you've got an instant pocket-sized temple. I toss my grandpa's tallit over a lamp, and suddenly the room feels taller. That shift alone is the day's first mitzvah. You've got Spotify. Search Rosh Hashanah, Nefesh Mountain. Music hijacks memory faster than any sermon. Play it loud enough to vibe, but quiet enough to hear the world you're trying to repair. Before dipping apple in honey, put a 3-word intention on a sticky note. Mine was text mom back. The sugar hits, the intention sticks, and that combo tastes like accountability. No ram's horn? Clap an empty challah tin by your ear? Broken sound is still sound. The Talmud says the shofar should be crooked, so your DIY version counts. Have a real one? Blast it out the window to say you're up for round 2. Write daily questions on sticky notes and put them in a jar. During the 10 days of awe, pull one nightly, answer it aloud, then burn it. Ash rinses away, clarity stays. 10 days, 10 funerals for old stories. Find community online. Google free live high holidays. Camera off is fine. The chat is the new back row gossip. Shrink the window to stamp size. You'll catch the rabbi's punchline while watching your own candle. Double vision, double awe. Yom Kippur at home counts. Hydrate the day before. When the fast ends, whisper, "I'm unfinished on purpose." And if your meds say eat, then eat. God reads prescription labels. Before Kol Nidra, call one person and ask what needs fixing between us. Don't text. Your voice unlocks what thumbs can't. The gates at Neil are close, but voicemail is open 24/7. Drop your own ritual below. Subscribe for Sukkah in a studio apartment. Shana Tova Uometuka, may your year be sweet and gloriously unfinished. The sanctuary doors close and you're left with candle smoke. But the secret is this. The space inside your ribcage has always been the Holy of Holies. No synagogue, no problem. The holidays just need the guts for one honest step.